I live in Manchester, which always goes down. Shh, don't cheer it, for fuck's sake. Not here. Got some Mancunians. I love Mancunian. I love the voice. It doesn't get talked about much. It's not all of them. It's about 95 or 96% of them have got that Mancunian monotone where they can only ever speak and talk in one tone. It gets like, all right, kid, how you doing? All right, yeah, nice one. I'm having a great day. Thanks for fucking asking. It gets a little bit like that. It is a bit like Morse code. You start listening out. What's he want? Pills. Doesn't matter what's being said, how dramatic or severe the sentence, it's still at the Mancunian monotone. Happy birthday, Nana. I hope you have a really nice day. Claire, I haven't loved you for 7 years. I'm leaving you. There's a shark. Get out the water. I'm gonna come, all at the same. That's got to be very dirty on the video. That, by the way, that's 4 separate conversations. Not one of the weirdest bits of Mancunian dirty talk in the history of dirty talk. Mate, you know your dirty talk's gone freaky if it starts, happy birthday, Nana, that's like, why do we have to do this, Steve? It's weird. It's role play, Joanne. Commit to it. Now blow the fucking candle out.